That's the only way.
That's the only way.
To complete what I must do. I need less some more of these. Less some more. That's the only way.
That's the only way.
To complete what I must do. I need less some more. Say with me, Lord. Less some more. That's the only way.
Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over More of Thee by Marvin Winans and the Perfected Praise Choir. This is going to be in the key of B flat. Very fun, upbeat song. And let me just go through the intro here. You're going to start off in B flat. So you're starting on B flat, F over A, G minor, F, E flat, F, G minor, F over A, G over B, C minor, okay, again. And that's the intro. Then we start the verse. So, you're doing F over A, lesson B, and more of it. That's the only way it can be to complete what I must do. I need a lesson me, and more of thee. So, again, it's F over A, to B flat over D, to E flat. Then we're going to go to F major, G minor, F over A, B flat, we're just going up the scale, C minor, and B. So that's the only way. See? Just went all the way from F to F in the B flat scale. And then we're going to do to complete what I must do. So that's F, G, B diminished, C minor, and then less of me and more of thee, less of me. That's the only way to complete I must do. I need a less of me and more of it. Oh, to walk in the light, shine on the light. So that section, we're gonna go B flat to E flat. You got a little bass line running. To E flat over G. Turn on the light from heaven, light from heaven. So it's C minor, B flat over D, E flat then back to more of thee and less of me. That's the only way to complete what I must do. I need a lesson, man. More. Oh, 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 oh. I just want to walk in the light and shine on. Such a fun song. And then that's almost the whole song. The last part of the song is going to be less of me and more of thee. I need a lesson, made more of you. More of you in the way I talk, more of you. More of you in the way I walk, and more of you. More of you in the way I live. So it's just going C minor, B flat over D, E flat. Could do G 7 flat 9, or sharp 5, or C, just a G9 or dominant. And then when you're getting ready to break out, you go to F9, F11, and that's the whole song. Alright guys, that was a quick tutorial of More of Thee from Marvin Winans and the Perfected Praise Choir. I'll be doing some more songs from this album and a lot of others very soon, so take care and until then.